Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from blonddelish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto chocolate cupcakes. This is a super easy dessert that takes about 30 minutes to make, and best of all, it's packed in chocolate. I bet this will be on your favorite dessert. Now, since I'm a big chocoholic, I'm super excited to make this recipe. So let's start baking! Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. Line a cupcake pan with 12 paper liners and set aside. In a large mixing bowl, combine the almond flour, coconut powder, salt and baking soda. Add in the melted coconut oil, maple flavored syrup, and gently crack the eggs in. Whisk well to combine. Stir in the sugar-free chocolate chips. Spoon the batter evenly into your paper liners. Bake for 15 to 17 minutes or until the center is set. Woohoo! While the cupcakes are baking, let's prepare the frosting. In a mixing bowl, add the cream cheese, softened butter, powdered erythritol, vanilla extract and heavy cream. Using a hand mixer, beat until smooth and creamy. Reserve half of the frosting in a small bowl. Add cocoa powder to the remaining frosting and mix until well incorporated. Now you will have both chocolate and vanilla frosting to make everybody happy. Once the cupcakes are done, remove from the oven and let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Transfer the frosting to a piping bag and pipe a swirl onto each cupcake. Pipe some of the cupcakes with chocolate frosting, others with vanilla, and a few with both chocolate and vanilla, just for fun. This cupcake is all I ever wanted for dessert. It has a nice moist texture and the frosting is over the top. And since I can't pick between chocolate or vanilla, I went for both. Make these cupcakes for fancy parties or whenever you need a sweet dessert. That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blonddelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!